Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL 5. In this video I'll show you common problems and repair costs. As a relatively new model, there are limited reports of major issues. Some users may experience minor software glitches or infotainment delays, which are mostly fixed by software updates. Overall reliability is expected to be good based on BYD recent track records. Maintenance costs are generally lower than traditional petrol cars due to reduced engine usage. Battery and hybrid components are designed for long durability. Most expenses will involve standard wear items like tires and brakes. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.